Hello cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a body paint. The inspiration for today comes from the Mortal Kombat game. I have decided that I like one character very much, and this is Jade. I want to try to replicate her. So, if you're ready to see a Jade body paint, let's start! Glasses are here, hair is up, and I'm ready to start. So, as always, I'm gonna use this pencil right here. This is Slide On Glide On from NYX Professional Makeup in the shade Revolution. And now I'm gonna do the lines, and after that I'm gonna add the color. So, let's do it! As you can see, I have finished with the lines. I'm gonna paint this part right here with this aqua color. This is from Spiegel in the shade Schwarz. I don't know, it's a black one. I think that this word means black in German. If I have anyone from Germany here, please write down in the comments. Anyway, I'm gonna take my water from here. I'm gonna put some drops to activate it and then it will be ready to use it. Next step is to take my palette Athena. This one right here, I have already opened it. I'm impatient. So I'm gonna take this golden right here. Unfortunately it does not have a name, and I will go at the inner part of my black line and I will add some golden with this one right here. This is kinda small brush, and I know that this color is kinda sheer and I don't want to have any sheer points to this makeup today, so that's why I'm gonna take another palette with some golden highlighters and then I will tap on the top in order to make sure that it's opaque and not sheer at all. Now I'm gonna take this palette from Revolution Pro 4K highlighter palette in the gold shades. I'm gonna choose this one right here. I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is from Morphe M124. I'm gonna take an amount and I'm gonna set my golden. Next step is to fill this part right here with green, and for this I'm gonna take my Maroon palette right here and I will take the shade dark green, which is this one, and it's about to finish, so I don't know if it's gonna be enough. If not, I will continue with my Spiegel. Next step is to add some shades and some lights, and for this reason I'm gonna use this palette right here. This is the collaboration that James Charles did with Morphe, and for the shades I'm gonna take this dark green right here, and for the lights the light green, obviously. Now I'm gonna add some shading and lighting to my body. For the lighting part I'm gonna use a liquid highlighter. For the shadow part I'm gonna use just regular eyeshadow from here, and I think that I will go with this one, which is not very far away from the result that I want to have on my body. So, let's go! I did some shading and lighting to my body. I will tell you what I used as a highlighter because I decided finally. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, although that I have a Glossier sticker on it, it's just me and my weird things. This is Fair number 1 and it works perfectly as a more mild highlighter, as you can see here. And let me tell you a trick there. If you want to create natural highlighting to your own body, you can do this move right here and you see which parts of your body are going up. Like for example mine are the highlighted, so you immediately highlight these parts with the highlight that you want, and then you see which parts are going down. For example, for me it's this one right here. I don't know if you can see. I hope that you understood. So this is where I put the darker shade because I just mimic the natural shades. Now, with my eyeliner, Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX Professional Makeup, I'm gonna create the cross pattern string that she has in her, I don't know, latex outfit? I don't know how to say it, but you will see. Now it's time for probably my favorite part of this makeup, the part that I'm turning these strings into real strings with using some shadows, and for this reason I'm gonna use this little brush right here, On Point from Beauty Bay, and then I'm gonna take this shade right here because I want something quite deep in order to make them pop and look more realistic, and I'm gonna show you the procedure. What I'm gonna do now is to take a very light and thick concealer like this one. This is from e.l.f. 16 Hours Camo Concealer in the shade Warm Fair, and I'm gonna apply it between the black line and the brown line to give an extra highlight and make the shadows more realistic. I finished with the main outfit, I added some extra lights here and there, and now I'm going to do the bracelet. So basically I'm gonna follow the same technique that I have done here. I'm gonna do the edges black, and then for the main part I'm gonna use my oil color, and then I'm gonna use this palette right here to take the gold and make it more opaque. I finished with the bracelet as well, and now the most difficult part has come, the part that I need to remove my glasses, which I really don't want to do, but I will do, because I need to fix my eyes. And I'm thinking to use this palette right here. This is from Beauty Bay, Wilderness, because I'm thinking to go with a very deep green look with a nice eyeliner. So I see that I can play a lot with greens there. So let me prime my eyes and I will come back to tell you. I know in advance that I'm going for a deep green look, so I will be very brave, and I will start my look with this shadow, which is called Forest, and it's a deep green. I will go deeper, but I'm not that brave. So I'm taking a brush like this one right here. I'm taking a good amount and I'm putting it at the outer part of my eye. As you saw, I wanted to create kinda lighter edge, so I used the shade Mint, this one right here, which is a very light and beautiful matte green. Have I told you how much I love the Beauty Bay matte formula? Like, this is amazing. And now I'm going with Ivy, not Evie, Ivy, I guess, to make this part a little bit darker and more dramatic. Metallics are coming, that's why I'm gonna use from Aden Cosmetics, an English indie brand, the Fix Potion, this one right here, which is gonna be like a glue to help the metallics grip and show all their glory. So I'm taking a very flat brush in order to apply it, and I'm not gonna take a big amount because I don't need a big amount, and you will see the miracle. Okay, I have decided not to go with metallics, but instead to go with a very nice duochrome. I have this one right here. This is called Dragon's Blood from Magical Makeup, and let's see. Oh my! It's completely dry. Oh my god! Like, I opened it like late summer, August, something like that, and it's like a rock. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear it? It's like a rock. So I don't know how to make it work, but I'm gonna add some of the primer here, and I hope that it will work, because if not, it's gonna be a pity, because it was quite expensive, I would say. It dried very fast, and I don't know how to reactivate it. So let's see. I can see some products on my brush here, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Let's see. I'm gonna apply it on my eye. Wish me luck, people. The eyes are finally ready. I have applied my false lashes and now I have an amount of primer here in my hand. This is the primer. NYX Professional Makeup, the Marshmallow. It's an amazing primer, it's so good. So, last things about the Dragon's Blood pigment, whatever it is. It's awful, like very bad. Usually I don't wanna say bad things about indie brands because I recognize how much they try and how limited supplies and time and money they have, and I really want to support them, but I cannot say lies to you, right? So I'm so disappointed with them, so disappointed. I will look at the site and I will update you at the description box if they say anything about how many months this will be in a liquid state or not, because on the jar it says nothing. So like I'm really disappointed of how it became. Also, I'm very disappointed about something. I have ordered something, they didn't have it, and without messaging me, without communicating with me in any way, they put another product, which I didn't really want. So that was so bad of them, and I say, okay, it's fine, I'm not gonna make a big drama issue, whatever, I can understand, but now we have this. Also, I have ordered a glitter collection with 4 glitters, and I couldn't find the name on their webpage, and when I received them I noticed that 2 out of 4 were the same. And I'm like, come on now, you never say anything and now you do this and then you change the product without communicating with me. I don't know about you, but personally I will never order from them again. I'm so unhappy with the whole service, with the products, with everything. I don't know, you can take your own decisions, but personally I feel that this is just a waste of money, and it's not only that, it's a bad behavior in general. So I don't know, I'm just giving you my opinion, my story, and you decide, you do you. For foundation, I'm gonna mix 2 different ones. This one right here, this is from Aden Cosmetics, the full coverage foundation in the shade Ivory number 2. And I have this one here, this is from Lumen, matte oil control foundation. So we have 2 mattes. I have tried this combo again, it's so good. It's really good. This is a little bit light for me, while the Aden is a little bit dark. So combined they give me the perfect color for my skin. I didn't mention the concealer that I used, so I used this one. This is from Kosas. I don't know if it has a name. No, actually it doesn't have a name. So this concealer is from Kosas, the one with the yellow lid. And right now I'm gonna do blushing and contouring. As a blush, I'm gonna use this one right here from Patrick Ta, She's So LA, because I don't wanna go with a color or something, but I want very intense bronzing, because I feel that her skin was kinda darker than mine, so I wanna do a little bit more extreme bronzing to reach kinda close to her skin tone. I really don't know where to go with the highlighter. I'm thinking that I want something subtle to match with this one right here, but on the other hand, this is my channel, so subtle is not really a thing here. So I'm gonna start with Charlotte Tilbury and Hollywood Beauty Light Wand as a liquid highlighter, as a base, to see if I'm happy with just that, and if I'm not, I'm gonna apply a powder highlighter. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. I don't know, I think that you have already guessed. Today I'm gonna translate you the title Mortal Kombat. So in Greek we would say Thanάσιμη μάχη. Thanάσιμη μάχη. Say with me, Thanάσιμη μάχη. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the title of the game in Greek, or actually you can say the title in your own native language. I think that this is gonna be super fun. Now it's time for me to do the lips, but Jade used to have a green mask. I don't really want to use a mask, so I have noticed that she had red nails, so I'm gonna go with red because it's a very nice color to complement green. So for today I'm gonna do burgundy deep red lips. As a lip pencil, I already used from NYX Professional Makeup, my favorite one, Copenhagen, and now I'm gonna apply this liquid lipstick. This is from Sunkissed, and it's the shade Pretty Plum. It's a very nice burgundy, very dark red, super dramatic, and I feel that it fits the character 100%. As a last step to this makeup, I'm gonna try to mimic her glove only on one hand because I'm not good at drawing at my right hand with my left hand. But anyway, so it's a black glove with cut fingers and it's until there. So let's see what can we do here. So these are the basic lines for the glove, and I'm gonna fill it with colors right now. I'm gonna use the same black to do all this area right here, and I'm gonna do the inside part of the triangle with my gold, and this one with green. This one's gonna be golden, this part green, and this one right here black. Let's do it. And that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the makeup, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and actually I brought to you some sweet memories of the game. Have you ever played this game? Have you ever played Mortal Kombat? And if yes, who is your favorite character? Please write down in the comments because I feel that this is gonna be a very interesting conversation. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more body paints and more videos. Also people, we have Instagram. My Instagram page is Catlady Antigoni, down here. As always, you can follow me there for extra content that I do not really upload here on YouTube, and it's really fun, like Q&As, unboxings and other stuff. Again, thank you so much for being here with us today. Until next time, bye!